back, guys. Today I'm installing a new bumper. I don't remember the name of it. I'll put a picture up somewhere on screen of what it looks like and the name of it. But right now, let's get to unboxing because I've been waiting for this thing for like a couple weeks now. A bunch of problems with delivery, but it's here now. So I already took the lid and taken the old one off because it was supposed to be here last week, and I got super excited. And well, yeah, I kind of forgot to record me taking it off, but the process of putting it on is the same as taking it off. So, set drilling holes. But oh god, oh my goodness, oh my thing. Oof. Excited up. Okay. This is the top. I'm facing the camera. Zoomy mama. There it is. Oh. I'll put it as close as I can to it. It's gonna look like. I'm gonna have to drill out holes. That's how she looks. Looking pretty good. Okay, meaty if I say so myself. So drilling holes wise, I have to drill a hole right here for this mounting point right here underneath the grill. I need to drill holes right here for these mounting points underneath here, which I gotta put the brackets on. And then I need to drill a hole in here for the side markers to go through, which these need to lead through. And so I gotta figure out how big the holes on there were. But otherwise, just kind of slips right back on. I might put the foam piece. I might put this foam piece back underneath it, but I feel like I shouldn't, is because this bottom piece right here will kind of be showing underneath, and I kind of don't really want that. But otherwise, let's get to it. The holes I was talking about cutting are these ones right here, these ones, and then I gotta cut a hole out in this because that one's just, you know, bare. But yeah, that's the majority of the work. I'm gonna make a stencil of this part right here. So I think the best way to do it is to put this up to it. And just kind of outline this piece. Go from here as we get closer. Finish the outline. I think I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Actually, wait. And while that's out, that's while it's being pressed up. That big of a hole. That big of a hole. On this side, same thing. Just a little tiny hole right there. Big old giant hole right there. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and that's kind of what it looks like. All right, so I got these stencils marked out. I'm going to cut this in half, and so I can actually use this properly. That should be good. Match up a little bit for my eye. I just gotta make them bigger slightly, but I'm gonna do that real quick. It's been a few hours now, and it's just been me at cutting away at things, just trying to get this to fit. Like over here, this side it fits fine. If I try snaking around this side, it's just like a couple centimeters or like an inch too short. So it's just me trying to cut everything away. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. I finally put it on. The only thing left to do is just drill the holes in this one and this one, and then otherwise it's mounted. I still need to drill those in, but I feel like I could do that in another video or just off camera because I just don't want to do it today. But so I ended up actually doing it, but I just put the bumper back on, or the grill back on, and this is what it looks like. I actually really dig it. I had to take the mesh grill out, which is right here. I had to take this out because the clearance underneath right here is just non-existent, and so I have to I had to trim stuff off just for this to fit and a bunch of these other stuff to fit. I mean, I kind of like it without it because those little smaller ones didn't have them, but yeah, I kind of think I do plan to wrap this car, but I think until then I kind of want to just, there's still a bunch of gaps and stuff, so I guess it'll warp itself. But I think maybe one day I'll try buying a bunch of paint match paint for my paint and try paint matching it, because it does have a primer on it. It is ready to paint. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
That boy is Benny
Pull up on your boy like